Let me show you a real-time screen recording of a trade I entered, and also I wanted to present something I never really talked about in this channel to get even better entries, and it's called the... Sorry if I didn't post as much on YouTube lately. We've been busy preparing for the new community's content. We received so many applications, so bear with us as we go through them all. It's open to all levels of experience, but we want to make sure we only take members who truly seem motivated and serious about trading. The application form and Discord link are in the description if you want to apply, but let's just get to the video. So just to make it quick, let's go directly into the trade. So this trade was presented into the Discord, so this is not the trade I wanted to present today. The recording that I have is this one right there. So let me explain really quickly. We had the today's high, which was based on the New York midnight. And then I just waited for it to get taken out because there's a lot of liquidity above this point. And once we took it out, I was just waiting for a displacement, leaving a fair value gap behind, which is what we got right there. So what I did is I simply put the trade right there. I covered the stop. Above this point, you will see all of it into the recording, and then went for the first level, which gave more than 2.5. This one is giving 2, and this one is giving around 3. So I just went for a 1, 2, 3. And the thing that I wanted to show you today, which can increase the precision of your trades, is you can see here this order block. And what you do, what ICT is presenting a lot of time is if you take half of an order block, this is called the mean threshold. And you just do half of it, so I'm using this tool right there, which is called the Gann box. And look at the precision of this trade. Me personally, I always go for the easiest entry because sometimes you might get missed trying to refine every time your entry. So I just go with the easiest thing. I don't mind not having that additional precision or this additional risk to reward. I just want to get triggered and enter the trade. But look how we exactly stopped at this point. Exactly, we reached this point and then we started rejecting. So I had the entry at this point and I will show you now the recording. So you can see here that when I'm trading, I always let the numbers in money. You can decide to use ticks instead if you can't really handle seeing big numbers on your screen. But I personally think that it's important to see those numbers. If you can't see currency moving around, is it because you're over leveraging your account? Is it because you didn't put your stop at the right place? Or is it really because you're not used to seeing hundreds or thousands moving around? Well, if you're stressed about that, why don't you just start with a lower account first until you're truly okay with it? In all cases, I would really suggest digging in yourself and answer this question. I'm pretty sure this will help you in your trading psychology or simply just in your own personal development, because this is truly something to dig into. After that, I also wrote the different liquidity point that I'm expecting to take out. And then here I'm saying that I can explain the lower trade, but I won't do that. I just want to make this video pretty quick, but you can check into the Discord if you want to see all the details of this other one. And here something very interesting will happen is you can see here that we technically reached my take profit, but I didn't get triggered. This is because there's a spread that you need to consider when trading. So this will happen a lot of time, especially when you try to enter a trade. You need to consider the spread, add it to the entry, and also same thing for the take profit. And for the people requiring that, here's me turning on and off the execution button to show the trade. And if you want to see another of my live trades, just click right there.